Hey guys, it's Miss Ingram and I'm back with another video. This time I want to show you guys how I was able to upload my bitmoji classroom into my Schoology courses, but I found a way to do it without the Google Slides black lines around it. So originally I created my Google Slides. You will notice I actually changed from doing the Bitmoji classroom to a button setup. I've got links for my students, my unique learning, my Google Meet. I've got my week at a glance up here, and then I have my courses. And so in all these courses, I've inserted the links to a course in my Schoology. Notice the title of this slide is my 4th grade AAS announcement. So I'm going to link my 4th grade courses. So to do that, I'm going to come up here. Here's my 4th grade AAS math course. And I'm going to copy this link. And I'm going to come back over here. And I'm going to insert link, and I'm going to paste the link to that math course. Okay, so now when you click on this, it's going to take you to my 4th grade math course. So in order to put something in as an announcement, you need to go to your resources, apps, your Google Drive, and you need to click on what it is you want to import. And you want to import embed. If you want it as an announcement, you always want to click the bell before you post. So here I have my setup with my buttons, and I have it as an announcement, but I did it through Google Slides, and I get this really ugly black border, and you've got the slide controls down here, and I really just didn't like that. So I discovered this week, after talking to some other teachers, that one way to get rid of that black border is by actually creating it in slides or in Google Draw. Since I had already created my whole setup, I just copied and pasted everything over. When I copied things, the links actually followed them, so that was really helpful. And so just took a little bit of reformatting, but not too big of a deal. Definitely worth the payoff. I need to insert that link for that math course over here. Okay, so I'm going to go back to that math course, and I'm going to go back to updates, resource, apps, and this time I'm going to choose the 4th grade AAS announcement, but that's got this little red icon for Google Draw, and I'm going to embed that file. Click my bell, post. And now I've got my announcement up here without that ugly black border, and I prefer this much better. Let me come down here and delete this other one. So like I said, everything's linked together. If you click on science, it's going to jump you over to science, where I have not changed it out. Let me do that real quick. Show you guys again, resource, apps, click on the file, import embed, click my bell, and post. And now I've got it in there without the borders. Let me delete this old one. But all of my courses are linked together now. It's very important, if you have multiple grades like me, that you label your things, your slides and your drawings as the grade, because when I started out in slides, I've got my 4th grade slide, I've got my second grade slide, I've got my kindergarten slide, I've got my first grade slide. But you'll notice that the links in the courses are different. So when I click on my second grade, see it says up here second grade AAS. When I click on math, it's taking me to my second grade course, not my fourth grade course. There's one other thing. Oh, if you go to updates, and when you click on the resources and you're in the Google, if you don't have this import embed here, just close out, go to materials, and open up a page. When you open a page and you click this icon up here for insert content and you select Google Drive, for some reason that makes Schoology make some kind of connection where now when you go to import, you have import embed. But we're not importing in the page, but that's just how we get the import embed to communicate correctly. So just close out of that, go back to your updates, and then you should see the import embed. One other thing while I'm in here I wanted to show you guys is my week at a glance is in Google Sheets. And this is a document that I want my students to be able to see, or rather their parents. I want their parents to be able to see, but I don't want them to be able to make any changes to it. So I want to make sure they're on view only. And I also want to make sure that my privacy settings aren't keeping them from being able to view it. So I recently discovered that when you click on your share button, because I'm in my school system account when I'm creating this, I've got this extra little message down here that it generates a special link that anybody who is logged in with their Mobile County Public School System email address will be able to view this file. And you see right here, I've got it set to view. You can change it to comment or edit, but I only want them to view. I don't want them to make any changes. So use this link, copy this link to embed into your slides instead of just the address at the top. This link will give Mobile County people access. And if you want to ever check your shared settings, once you've set it for the Mobile County thing, when you just hover over it, that shows up right there. So I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions or I can help in any way. And remember, Google Slides is great. That's where I created everything at first. But if you want to get rid of the Blackboard easily, go to Google Draw and upload from there. Hope you guys have a great year. Bye.